through this incredible journey. In the previous segment, we covered the state of Israel. This time we have turned the focus to a country that has the longest wall, the most spoken language, and a city that lights up brighter than Times Square. And the greatest of all, it is known as the Land of Dragons. I know, by now, you would have probably guessed it right. So ladies and gentlemen, yes, you got it right. It's none other than the People's Republic of China, a country full of surprises. This time we're going to cover some remarkable facts about this incredible country. Like, did you know China has the world's oldest ancient civilization in the world, dating back over 4,000 years ago. Incredible, right? So the parameters which we'll be covering up today are going to be economy, religion, politics and tourism. So now, without any further ado, let us connect to our reporters who shall be taking you through this incredible journey.
China is one of the largest countries in the world. This Asian nation has one of the largest economies, ranking second to the United States. According to the World Bank, the GDP of China is $17.96 trillion and rising steady since the country began to reform its economy in 1978. The federal government of China has taken 1 million people out of poverty, and the two key features which are driving China's economy are manufacturing and services. China is one of the largest exporter and importer in the world, and China is one of the largest manufacturer and producer in the world.
Many Chinese people, even those who did not identify with a religion, engage in practices rooted in beliefs in unseen forces and spirits. This indicates that while they may not formally identify as religious, their daily lives reflect religious practices. This scenario is influenced by China's political system. The government operates under a unitary communist party, where the ruling Chinese Communist Party, that is CCP, controls the legislative body, the National People's Congress. The NPC is the highest state organ of power, and there is no separation of power in China.
Over the past 30 years, interest of tourists have grown in China. China ranks the 6th world number in the world for architectural monuments, one of the most ancient civilizations, national parks, and managed by the government. Their original concept is amazing, sun got incredible snows and white on the mountain.
That was truly incredible. A token of gratitude to all our meticulous reporters for covering this so clearly. With this, we come to the end of today's special segment. And remember, the people and only the people alone are the motive forces in the making of a country, as said by the legendary Chinese political figure Mao Zedong. With this is the anchor signing off for Ryan in Moon News, where the news is the other name for truth. Till then, speak the right, search the right, and choose the right.